Hello students, I hope you all are doing great and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer, and in today's video I would like to continue the same chapter 2, uses of computer. So students, firstly take out your computer book and open chapter 2, page number 14. Okay, open chapter 2, page number 14. So students, as you all know, we had started this chapter yesterday and today we will continue this chapter. So what we had learned yesterday, students, we learned the uses of computer in daily life. So what we can do on computer, okay, the different tasks that we can do on a computer we had learned about. Okay, so tell me the task name that we can do on a computer. So we can listen the music on a computer, we can draw and color on a computer, we can play games on a computer, we can watch cartoons on a computer, we can type a document on it, we can looking for information on computer. Okay, so we can do so many things on a computer, and a computer can do a number of things. It means a computer can do so many things. That is why it's a wonderful machine. We called it a smart machine. Why do we call computer a smart machine? Because computer can do so many tasks itself. Okay, uh, as far as the other machines consider, the other machines can do a specific work. Okay, but a computer can do so many things. Okay, other machines can do only single tasks, but a computer can do so many tasks. Okay, we can calculate, we can do calculation on a computer, we can solve the toughest mathematical sums on a computer in a single minute, in a single second, you can say. We can it saves our time, it saves our money, etc. Okay, so that is why we call it a smart machine. So yesterday we had learned the uses of computer in our daily life, that what are the tasks we can do, and today we will learn that what are the places where computer are being used. Okay, so what are the places where computer are being used? So as you all know, computer are using, and in this time computer are using in every sector of our life, whether it is a home or school or office, everywhere computer are being used. Okay, so students, let's read once again this chapter. Okay, can you store food in a washing machine or wash clothes with a broom? Of course not. These machines are designed to do a specific work. What do you think a computer is used for? So students, as you already know, this girl's name is Eva. Okay, what's this girl's name is? This is Eva. So Eva is describing about the machines, that what can do on machines. Okay, so she is saying that she's asking you, can you store food in a washing machine or wash clothes with a broom? No, we can't store foods in a washing machine, because washing machine is for washing the clothes. Okay, and so these machines are designed to do specific work. Okay, these all machines have their specific work to do. Okay, they can't do other works because they have to do their specific works. So same as in this video we will know about, in this chapter we will know about the computer specific work. So what is the specific work of a computer? Okay, so these things we will know in this chapter. Okay, so the first heading is uses of a computer in daily life. Okay, so that we had read it in our yesterday video. Okay, in our previous class. A computer can do a number of things. Okay, a computer can do so many things. That is what makes it a wonderful machine. Okay, so the things that computer can do, it makes a computer a wonderful machine. Okay, so what do you mean by wonderful, students? So wonderful means, you can say, a surprising. Okay, So it's a wonderful machine. First task that we can do on a computer is listen to music. Okay, we can listen music on it. So students, what is the spelling of listen? Can you tell me? Listen means hear. Okay, listen means hear, and the spelling of listen is LISTENING. Listen. Okay, you can listen music on a computer. As you can see in this picture, this girl is listening music on a computer. And the next thing that you can do on a computer is drawing and coloring. Okay, you can draw and color on a computer. Okay, it can help you in drawing and coloring. So as you can see, this boy is drawing and coloring on a computer. And the next thing that you can do on a computer is playing games. Okay, playing game. You can also play games with the computer. Okay, you can also play games with the computer. So what is the spelling of playing, students? The spelling of playing is PLAYING, playing. Okay, and the spelling of games is GAMES, games. Okay, and the next thing that you can do is watching cartoons. Okay, watching cartoons. As you watch cartoon on a television, same as you can watch cartoons on a computer also. Okay, so watching means, what is the meaning of watch, students? The meaning of watch is to look. Okay, to look or see. You can see the cartoons on a computer. Okay, it's called watch also. You can watch cartoons on a computer. As you can see in these pictures, these little kids are watching cartoon on computer. So students, now turn your page and come to the next page, on the page number 15. And what you can do on a computer? You can type a document on a computer. As you can see in this picture, this girl is typing a document on a computer. If you have to send any document to anyone, you can just type on this and you can send. Okay, you can maintain a record of employees, students on the computer. Okay, and the next thing that you can do on a computer is looking for information. Okay, looking for information. You can also, if you want to know about anything, you want any information, you want to search, you can search. You can just open your computer and go on a Google website and search any information that you want. Okay, so you can also search any information on it. Okay, it can help you to search any knowledge and information. Okay, is that clear? So these are the uses of computer in our daily life. Okay, so these all things a single computer can do these all things. Is that clear? And now we will know about what are the places. So students, now we will know the places where computer are used. Okay, so we will read about the places where computer are being used. So first place where the computer are being used is school. Okay, so in the school, computer plays a very vital role to teach and to learn. Okay, so in a school, computer used to teach and to learn and to maintain the records of students. Okay, in the school, computer are used to teach and to learn and to maintain the records of students who come in schools to study. Okay, is that clear? And the next place where computer are being used is home. Okay, so we use computer at our home to play games and watch movies and to do homework and project. Okay, so we can also do our homework and projects on a computer. We can play games and watch movies on it. Okay, so when we are at home, we use computer to play games and watch movies and to complete our projects and our homework. Is that clear? And the next place where computer are being used is office. Okay, so in office, computer used to write and store official files. Okay, as I said you that computer can store a lots of informations in it. So in office, in schools, it used for write and store official files. Okay, the records. Is that clear? And to also present official reports. Okay, to also it used for present official records, okay, to store the present official records. So first one is to write and store in official files and to present official reports, okay. So students, till now we learn about the three places where computers are being used at this time. So first one is school, second one is home, and third one is office, okay. Now move on to the next one. So students, firstly turn your page and come on the page number 16. And the next place where computers are being used is hospital. So in the hospital, a computer is used for to do medical tests on patients, okay. So in the hospital we can do the medical tests on patients through the computer, okay, and to make medical reports, okay. So in the hospital, computers are used for to make the medical reports of to patients and to medical tests on patients, okay. We used for doing medical tests on patients and making their medical reports. Now move on to the next place where computers are being used at this time. The next place is shops and malls, okay. As you can see in this picture, students, this is a picture of a shop. So in the shops and malls, computers are being used for to make and print bills, okay, and to keep a record of goods. So the shopkeeper use computer to make the print of bills, okay. They make the prints of bills through the computer, okay, by the help of computer, and to keep the records of goods, okay. And they also keep the records of goods in the computer in the shops and malls. So is it clear? So these are the places where computers are being used in this time. There are also lots of places where computers are being used, but these are the few of them, okay. Now the explanation of this chapter is completed. So here, students, you can see a task is given for you. Let's revive, okay. So the all chapter that you have studied till now, you have to revise it all, okay. So this is the revise time for you all. Tick the activities that you can do on a computer and put a cross on those you cannot, okay. So look at these pictures, students. Here 4 activities are giving, okay, first and second, third and fourth, okay. Here 4 activities are given, and you have to tick the activities that you can do on a computer, and you have to cross the activities that you cannot do on a computer, okay. So first activity that is given here is making breakfast. Can you make a breakfast on computer? Tell me, students, can you make breakfast on computer? And second activity is reading a book. Third one is sharpening a pencil. Can you sharpen a pencil on a computer? Next one is doing homework, okay. So you have to tick the activities that you can do on computer and cross the activities that you cannot do on computer. So first activity, making breakfast, okay. So we cannot make breakfast on a computer, so you have to cross it, okay. So put a cross in this given circle, students, okay. Next one is reading a book. Can you read a book on a computer? Yes, we can read a book on a computer. So tick this, okay, put a tick in this circle. Now next one is sharpening the pencil. Can you sharpen a pencil in a computer? No, we cannot sharpen a pencil on a computer, so cross it, okay. You have to put a cross. And the next one is doing homework. Can you do homework on a computer, students? Yes, we can do homework in a computer, so tick it, okay. So you have to put a tick in this circle, okay. Now this task is completed. So students, The explanation and the revision of chapter 2 is completed now. So you have to read this chapter with the help of your guardian. Okay students. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.